15 minutes from the grave. They said I was done, but I just don't play that. Think I need saving, something I can lean on. Yeah, I really, really think I just begun. No, I ain't done. To the sky and I see it. When it gets dark and I need it, I look to the sky and I see it. No, I just can't help but believe it. No, I ain't done yet. Got a whole lot left in me.
To the love of my life, now my husband, my Michael. Thank you sa best friend ko. Because I found the man I would marry. I would spend the rest of my life with. I found you, my asawa.
Mahal kong Danica. Tanda mo noong unang beses tayo nakita. Sinamahan ko lang yung friend ko para imit si Leo, di ba? Nahihiya pa nga ako kasi noon, first meet natin, and nakita mo lang naman ako sa picture. Pero who would have thought na yung simple na napag-iyan ka sa akin sa picture would change our lives forever.
Yo, forever.
What do you do to taking and taking? I'm not complaining. I'd give it all to you.
Years. After 12 years, almost 13 years, you are now my husband. Nothing has ever changed the way my heart feels about you, about having you in my life, man. Palagi kang nandyan para sa akin.
Over and over, I can't get over what you do to taking and taking. I'm not complaining. I'd give it all to you.
Nandito ako sa harap mo, going 13 years, half of my life kasama ka. Sa lahat ng hamon ng buhay, sa hirap at ginhawa, malungkot man o masaya, ikaw ang aking kasama. Binuo mo ang isang Michelangelo.
Yung best friend ko, may nahabol siya. So, nakihabol naman ako. Then, nakita ko siya. Best friend ko, yung kaibigan niya, sila yung nag-ano sa amin ng relationship namin. So, sa kanila nag-start. Ang nag-message pa sa akin nun ay, gamit ang phone number niya, ay yung guy friend niya. So, parang doon na nagsimula lahat. Then, nagkita kami, first time. Lagi niya sasabihin sa McDo.
Huwag mapahala, ika't sumandika.
To our future kids, ang swerte ko sa mom nyo. Kasi May mga araw na hindi ako naniniwala sa sarili ko, pero ikaw, hindi ka bumitaw.
Ay walang takot, nakakapanibago. Hiwaga ang dulot ng iyong
Thank you, mahal, for fighting for life, for love, for choosing everything, for choosing my heart. Palagi.
ibigin mo kung dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan tayong matuto sa samahan sa hintayan. Ako'y sa'yo, sa akin ka.
Gaya nga ng paborito nating part ng araw, which is yung sunset. Magsisimula, matatapos ang bawat araw na ikaw ang aking kasama. Pangako ko yan. Palagi ko silang sabi sa'yo, kapag kasama kita, at once na mayakap ka, I am home. Mahal na mahal kita, Danica, making asawa.
Kahit saan tayo dali ng tadhana, let's continue to hold each other's hands, mahal. Let's continue building our own loving family. Buo at masaya. Mahal na mahal kita.